What's going on? It's Steve, and I'm talking fast because I'm going to try to show you how to play American Pie by Don McLean in under 3 minutes. No one's ever attempted that in the history of YouTube, so this will be a world record. So we begin here in G major with no capo, and it goes a long, long time ago, like that. Now, the intro is seriously like 70 chords, so check the link in the description for all of those, but I'm going to get to the main part right here. That one was a G, D, E minor, but it ends back up on the G, and it goes Pie, C, Miss American, G, D, Miss American Pie. That's the main chords. Drove my Chevy, G, C, G, D, G, C, G, drinking whiskey and rye, D major, singing This'll Be the Day, E minor, This'll Be the Day That I, A major. Then it goes, this'll be the day that I die, to D major. And the D major does something really cool. Check this out. It's really easy. You hit a D major, take off the high E string, put it back on, take your pinky or this finger right here, put on the 3rd fret of that. So you're playing a D major with the 3rd fret of that E string, and then hit it again, and now it goes into the verse. It goes, G, did you write the A minor, Book of Love, and do C major, you have faith in A minor, E minor, if the Bible, D. There's that little thing again, and then it goes G, D, do you believe in rock and roll, E minor, and A minor, your immortal soul, C major, E minor, A 7th, dance real slow, D, and then it goes, well, I know, E minor, that you're in love with him, D major, E minor, I saw you dancing, D major, then it goes C, you both kicked off your shoes. So it goes from C to A minor, but on the way down, it does that little B thing right there, so take a C major, and keep this finger on the 1st fret of the B string, but put this finger on the 2nd fret of the A string, like that, and then A minor. Man, I dig C major, those rhythm and blues. D, and you can do a D 7th if you want to. Again, check the link for the chord charts. I was a lonely G, D major, E minor, Bronco Buck, with a A minor, a pink carnation, and a pickup truck, C major, and now G, D major, E minor. I knew I was out of luck. The day, C major, the music, the D 7th died. And just like that, G, C, G, and then it goes, bye, bye, Miss American Pie, drove my Chevy to the night. And we did the whole chorus that we did at the beginning right there until it goes, this will be the day that I die. You know, amazing song. Again, I think it's impossible without me like really going turbo speed to do the whole intro and every single moment, but that's the basics. Let me know if it was helpful, and hit like and subscribe on your way out. See ya.